Wondering how I keep my seeds organized? Well, I bought 2 photograph organizers. Yep, I said photo organizers. These bad boys are popular with gardeners because they are the perfect way to sort your seed packets by type, and they're easy to carry. I use my label maker with clear plastic labels, just in case anything gets wet. This first bin holds warm season flowers, cool season flowers, and seed packets for saving seeds from plants I grow. If you like, you can even add whether a flower is perennial or annual. My second bin has, again, warm season vegetables and fruit on one side, and cool season vegetables and fruit on the other side, plus my herbs and unique plants. Sometimes I double up on a plant that either comes from the same family or has similar growing needs, but that's only if I don't have a ton of that type of seed. Just remember to keep your seeds out of direct sunlight in a dry, cool, or room temperature location. Happy gardening!